this is how you make a 1-inch tie tack. Get your 1-inch machine ready and go find your crimp adapter, which came with your machine. If you lost it, you can buy another one from buttonmakers.net. Your parts include shells, your graphics, mylar, flat backs or medallion backs, tie tack back, and a tie tack clutch. So the first thing we'll do is insert the crimp adapter into the crimp die, beveled side up. Rotate the die table around and insert the shell into the pickup die, smooth side up. The graphic goes on top of the shell, the mylar goes on top of the graphic. Rotate the die table around, insert the flat back into the crimp die, and then we'll pull the handle all the way down, lift the handle back up, rotate the die table around, pull the handle down a second time, remove the button from the machine, remove the paper backing from the back of the tie tack, and adhere to the back of the button, and attach the clutch. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at www.buttonmakers.net for more tips, tricks, and crafty ideas.